And joining me now from inside the State House, of course, the Michigan Governor, Rick Snyder. Governor Snyder, thank you very much for joining us. Tell me why now and why this issue? Why take this on? This is not what you campaigned on.
No, and I appreciate that, Andrea. It really goes back to last summertime. The labor movement, labor leaders were pushing forward something called Proposal 2. They were doing signatures to put it on the ballot, which would have been a massive overreach into Michigan's Constitution regarding collective bargaining. I believe in collective bargaining, but this was way over the top. And I asked him not to go forward. And the reasons I said is you're going to start a very divisive discussion regarding collective bargaining first, but it also will get into right to work. And it will create a big stir about right to work in addition to collective bargaining. Well, the voters spoke in November and dramatically voted down Proposal 2, but then this right to work discussion just continued to escalate and was becoming very divisive. So the way I viewed it is it's on the table, it's a hot issue, let's show some leadership. So I stepped up to say, when I review it, I think it's a good thing. It's about being pro-worker. It's about giving freedom of choice to workers. And then secondly, as was mentioned in the earlier report, it's about economic development. We will get more and better jobs coming to Michigan because we're going to be more competitive.
But all the data show that they're going to be lower wage jobs, that there's a distinction between right-to-work states and other states. And these are the private sector jobs, not just the public sector jobs. There was an argument that was made fairly effectively in Wisconsin and other places about teachers and other public sector employees. But here you've got the auto workers who gave back a lot of their benefits in order to help rescue the auto industry. So why punish auto workers who've already shown they're willing to cooperate with management?
Well, I think it's important to make a distinction with Wisconsin and Ohio. That was about collective bargaining. That was about the relationship between employers and unions. This has nothing to do with that. Right to work is about the relationship between the union and workers. And this is about being pro-workers, giving workers the choice. If anything, this should encourage unions to be more responsive to workers in terms of saying they need to show a value proposition of why they're a great place to join. And I've met a number of people that said they would like to choose to join the union or have the flexibility not to, and they believe they'll get better accountability from unions. So in many respects, it could be a positive for unions over the longer term. So this is something that, again, it's stepping up for workers. This is not to interfere in employer relationships at all.
Well, the workers, of course, feel that it's union busting and that it is interfering with their relationships. And you had said that you think it is divisive, that it's not something you sought. You had higher priorities. You said this just on Friday. Why sign it? It's apparently going to hit your desk tomorrow. Are you still determined to sign it?
Yes, I am, because, again, that had reached critical mass in terms of being a divisive issue in our state. Again, if you looked back at where Michigan was, we were at the bottom for the last decade. We'd lost over 760,000 jobs. Since I came to office, we've gained 141,000 back. We've done tax reform, budgets have been balanced, we're paying down debt, a lot of good things. And we've become very competitive, and this is another step in that process to say, let's give our workers the choice. And when you look at Indiana and see what they've achieved since February when they did similar legislation, they've gotten thousands of jobs coming to Indiana because of this issue.
Governor, one of the issues is it's a lame duck session. You've got more Republicans now supporting this measure. Why push this through in a lame duck session? Why not let it be aired after the next legislature comes in and there will be more Democrats? Isn't that fair? I didn't view any of this to get into the politics of it. This is a policy issue that came about because, again, the Proposal 2 went down and we had a large-scale discussion going on, a very divisive issue that is best, in my view, is to say it's on the table, let's make decisions, let's move forward. There's been lots of discussion on right to work in Michigan for many years. Over the last month or so, people in Michigan know about this issue, and there's been lots of ways to contact legislators. So I think there's been a lot of dialogue on this, and let's just get this done. This is to move Michigan forward about more and better jobs and worker choice. Thank you very much. Governor Rick Snyder, thanks for joining us on a very busy day, obviously, there in the Capitol. We really appreciate it.